changed up some settings. Hopefully that will reduce some of the bounce. That is the best I can do. Because this is what I do, you know, walk through the woods. I enjoy it. It's peaceful. And I just want to share that with you guys. I walk through the woods. Hopefully. It's a lot of mud here. Hopefully I find a way to do that. This here's an old trail I made some 15 years ago. It wasn't useful anymore, so we stopped using it. And since then you can see that it needs to be severely cleaned up. Even that severely might be an overstatement. Probably just a nice day. Nice day with a good four-wheeler and a nice chainsaw. Berry bushes. The reason why we built this trail in the first place was my dad wanted a path that went to the top of the mountain. This side. Because we have a path that goes to the top of the mountain on the other side. We didn't have one on this side. So once this path was made, we were then able to go right around. What do you suppose these things are? Oh, they're just dandelion buggers. Little seeds trying to make their way. I'm fighting off cold for a couple of days. So my breathing's a little labored. My nose is a little runny. But you just take it easy, you know? Because this is nice. In the woods. A nice day. Just enjoy yourself. Take it one step at a time. You need to slow down, you slow down. I always like these kind of concepts here when it comes to a trail. It's like you come through this world and you don't expect what's coming on the other side. When you have all these little shrubs going. It's nice though. Nice amount of rejuvenation. Yeah, I'd like to come up here with some kind of wood splitter or shredder, wood chipper, just to really give it a good clean and see what kind of life can grow out of that. So if these guys are capable of growing out of that thing, imagine what they can do when that's not even there. my butt. Oh, nice spider web here. You guys see it? Go around. This here is actually the spot. Right here. Right here. Where I used to leave leftovers. Expired foods or something. When we get bread that we didn't get a chance to go through. I'd leave them all right up here. Leave the raccoons and other wilderness get to them. We're far enough in the woods, I wasn't worried about them coming home. And I don't believe much in throwing stuff out. Oh yeah, just throw it in the garbage. What's it gonna do in the garbage? End up in the landfill? Rot there forever. There's critters out here that want to eat. They got families. See, this is a location that I find absolutely treasure. You come into these places and you realize, look, just a giant field of ferns. I love it. I love watching the ground come to life. It just exists. Look at that thing. That's kind of neat. I like that thing. It's just amazing how much stuff there is up here. How much stuff there is to do. To explore. And this is where we're headed to. This is the new campground. New. The campground. Don't necessarily have a previous campground. This thing's amazing. Look at this guy. All these little holes in it. Wow. Here, leave that guy alone. Wow. Too bad it's dead. Well, it could die there forever. Let me come up to my camp. We'll see if changing a few settings solve the walking shaky cam. Hopefully. And if not, I'll figure out what to do next. Looks like somebody's been up here. Alright, let's get this fire going. I brought a little cheat code for today. There we go. Oh yeah, it's still nice and hot. Oh shit, you could hear it. Like I can hear it. Come over onto this side. Grab some goop. and the Jeep code. The leftover toilet paper roll. Bada boom. Bada boom. And I say let there be light. Don't like being downwind. Just take a minute just to enjoy it. There you go. There you go. It is so hot from yesterday's fire. And that's the danger of this stuff. So if you leave it unattended, something can happen. It gets knocked over or something. It'll light up the whole forest. So you gotta take care of it. Gotta be careful. Well, let's go see if we can spot that four-wheeler. Shit.